Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just did a flip through on my new planner. This baby is so chunky. I will leave a link down below if you want to watch that. But right now I'm going to be doing a little what's in my CABOODLES case, so I'm super excited to share that with you. So this CABOODLES case I think is the largest size, and I got mine off of Urban Outfitters. I will leave a link down below if you are interested in picking one up. On the website it looked like a really soft pastel pink, but in person it kind of has like a metallic shimmer finish. I kind of wish it was like more of a solid pastel pink, but it's not that big of a deal. I really like the clear handle, and then the front just looks like this. So this is what the handle looks like, and it looks exactly what it looked like back in the day. And then when you open it up, there are two different levels, and it completely lays flat. So that's kind of how it lays. You can kind of see it completely lays flat, and it's pretty big. So I'll do like an overview of what it looks like up top. So here's the top view of the entire thing, and let me just show you the size reference. So this is my personal wide planner, and you can kind of see the size, and then I'll show you my pocket planner. So this is my pocket planner, and you can fit really nicely in here. So if you plan with a pocket planner, this is like the perfect on-the-go case. I actually think that looks really cute there. I'm gonna keep it there. So yeah, as you can tell, this case is for all of my planner supplies because of course I need a little case for it. And I used to have one of these caboodle cases way back when. I think I had the purple and the teal color, and I wish I still had it, but of course I had to grab the pink one. So I'm just gonna get started on what's in my caboodles case. So in this little corner here, I have all of my washi. Most of these are Simply Gilded washi, except for this one. This is by the Planner Society. I absolutely love all of these, and I love looking at them. And then in the corner here, I just have one little ollie clip. I would have put it inside, but you'll see what I mean when I show you. And then there's a little clip on the side here, so if you want to make sure that this part doesn't open, you can just latch that down. I do not have that latch down at the moment. And then on the front here, there's a little mirror. I'll kind of show you. But you'll just end up seeing the camera, so I won't be showing you that. And then in here, I have all of my pens, and then the clips that I'm using, and then some bows. So I'll just get into the details of everything. So in here, I just have most of my little charms that I'm using, like little dangle clips that I put on the side of my planner. Most of these are for my shop, and my shop is just the Angel Shop. The link is down below, and I do have a special coupon code for my YouTube subbies if you are interested. So yeah, I have like these little gummy ones. Let me show you. So I have these little gummy ones. They're in different colors, and then you can get, this one is coming to my shop soon, although I think when this video goes live, it might have already been in the shop. And then I have some of these, so I love all of these so much. And then to the side here, I have just all of my little bows. These bows are from Peony's Paperie. They're super cute. And then I have some from Frank and Friends shop. This little bow here is from Frank and Friends shop. And so is this one with the little dangle. So I just have my little accessories in the corner there, and then these little rose gold page holders, which I forgot to use in my little setup, but that's fine. So yeah, here are all my little bows. I have more, but I just like to keep the ones that I feel would match my planner right now in here. And then look at all of my pens. I'm totally obsessed with pens. I love all cute pens. And you guys are getting a little sneak peek of my actual pen that I designed, and it has my little shop logo on there. So as you can see, it's a little A with the halo, and I'm totally obsessed. It's a little glitter holographic fun rose gold pen, and you can kind of tell like the weight of this pen is amazing. The barrel is actually wider than most pens, and then the top part is rounded. So I love how different this pen is. And then you can kind of see like the sparkleness in this. So these pens are super limited to my shop. They will be going live in my birthday box the end of August. If you are part of my private Facebook group or follow me on Instagram, I will have more details on this pen if you are interested. But yeah, I am super, super proud of this pen. I love this pen so, so much. So I just have it on the top here, but I'm going to place it to the side here while I show you the rest of my pens. So I have 3 of these pens that kind of match. So these pens kind of look like little cotton or little candy pieces. And Buzz is here. Buzz. So yeah, they kind of look like little candy pieces. And then I have this one, which reminds me of Clueless, and I'm totally obsessed with it. It's so cute. It just looks super cute. I have this super old school Hello Kitty pen. It is half pen, half lead pencil. So I love this. This pen is probably like 15 years old, if not more than that. This pen is from Disneyland. I wish I got more than one. I absolutely love it. This pen is from Muji. It just has how many different colors? That has 3 different colors. I'm not that crazy about it just because the actual ballpoint of the pen is really small and I like a thicker ballpoint, but that's okay. I like the different colors. I have this other little candy pen. I have this silver heart pen. I also have the rose gold version to that. I have this pen. One of my best friends gave this to me like a couple years ago. And this is before this pen was like super popular. So yeah, I'm like super grateful for her to give this to me. She gave this to me for my birthday. And it was super cute. I just have this highlighter and it is scented. I love scented things and I love scented highlighters. I have a bunch of them, but I just keep that one in there. I have 2 of these Kokorio, I'm probably not saying that correctly, Zig pens, and I love them. This one's kind of like a clear glitter white pen, and then this one's just a pastel pink. And then I have 2 of these pens. I'm surprised I have 2 of these in here. But I love them. They're super cute, and they just look very modern and simplistic and chic. I have this rose gold pineapple pen. I got this pen when I graduated from university from my aunt, and it's just a Swarovski pen with the little gems inside. And as you can see, it's like a thicker pen, which I really like. So it's very similar to the pen that I have. So you can kind of see the size difference. Let me put them side by side. So look how cute that looks. You can see the size. They're pretty similar in the barrel sizes, but they're both equal in weight. They're very, very sturdy pens. I have this striped white and pink pen. Oh, I have another scented highlighter. Like I said, I love scented things. I have this Kaleido pen. This I got off of eBay, I believe. Yeah, if you just type in Kaleido pen, you can find a whole bunch. You find the different barrels, and I got the dinosaur type because I love dinosaurs and I love Jurassic Park and Jurassic World. And then I actually have an eraser. You can kind of see that. And then a mechanical pencil. So that's pretty cool. Really, really handy. I have more of these, but not in this particular case. And then I just have these 2 pens. So this one is a gem type of pen, and then I have this one from the Planner Society. So that's pretty much everything in my pen section. So I just put all my pens back. And then in this lower section here, I'm just gonna close the top. In this lower section here, I just have some stickers. So I'll show you. I have this pencil case and I haven't filled this up yet, but I feel like I'll just put whatever pens that I'm using and like washi and just kind of grab this on the go. I got this from Walmart and it's so cute. It has little printed hearts in it and it's holographic, and like I said, I love all things holographic. I have an Eiffel Tower type of scissors. It's super cute. It's very heavy though, so I would definitely keep that in mind. I don't know, it's just very heavy, but I love how it looks. It's adorable. And then I have a bunch of stickers. So I have these day dots, and these are from Erin Condren. I use them in my wedding planner. I have some stickers from Blanket Planner. So it's super cute. They have like, it's actually made of real glitter. It's adorable. Some more day dots. And then I have like a silver version. Okay, so I had to stop in the middle because every time I decide to film, Buzz either barks or somebody mows their lawn or the doorbell rings. So hopefully there are no more interruptions. But yeah, I think I got cut off by talking about the day dots. So I have the silver and the rose gold option, and I use this in my wedding planner. And then I have a bunch of other stickers. So I have some stickers by Shine Sticker Studio, some stickers by Love Charmaine, the Glam Planner, and then some stickers from my shop. So I'll just show you really quickly. So these are stickers from my shop. Like I said, I have a coupon code for all of my subscribers down below. This is my new character, and I have different activities, and they're called Bubs and Babs. I love them so much. So this is Babs Payday, period time of the month Babs, workout Babs. No, it's not Babs. Says FaceTime, and then I also have like a payphone one. And then these are from Shine Sticker Studio, so a no spend because I gotta save up for my wedding. A Happy Mail. These are so cute. I love Luna. And then I love these pastel colors. And a little sampler from Shine Sticker Studio. And then I had to get this from Glam Planner. I think I'm going to be doing a little plan with me with this kit, but I absolutely love the notebook. Like, I adore this movie so much. Back in the day when you could go and rent movies, I went to my local video store and I asked them if I could have the poster that looked like this. And the owner was so sweet and gave me the poster, and I just hung it up in my room. I don't have that poster anymore, but I love this movie so much, so I definitely had to grab this. And then there's a little house on the back. I don't even know if I can use this, you guys. I love this so much. And then I have a little whiteout roller. It's pretty large. I love it because it doesn't like run out so fast, and it's pink. And then last but not least is this little Hello Kitty case. And I got this from a Happy Meal toy. I just asked them if I could buy the toy because I loved this case so much. So I have 2 of these. And I had this on my IKEA Raskog cart, which I'm going to be doing an updated what's on my Raskog cart because I filmed that quite a while ago. And it's definitely changed now. So yeah, this is from the Happy Meal toys. I can't remember, maybe 2-3 years ago. And I just have all my clips that I like to use. So these are just different clips from my shop. So I have this little like mask clip, and then it has a band. I have, well, this was a makeup one, and then I just took the clip off. But you can actually open it up. It's like a little palette. And then you can decorate the top with stickers. And then a Little Mermaid one. A Boss one. yeah, just some of my favorites. A horoscope one. I love like horoscope and zodiac signs, so I'm a Virgo. I feel like I've mentioned that quite a few times, but yeah, I have that. This was my old Instagram username. I have another Instagram planner account, which is now called August in Bloom. And then, yeah, just a bunch of different clips. This would look super cute with that Barbie charm that I showed you earlier. I made this when Pokemon was super popular like 2 years ago, and I still love it because I love that little gem in the middle. And then a pink boss clip, some mouse clip, and then some Christmas ones, and then like an SD card. So that's pretty much everything in this little case. And I think it looks super cute in this. So I put everything back just because I like to be organized, and I'm that type of person who goes away on vacation, and as soon as I get home, I need to unpack right away because I know I'm not going to do it later. So anyways, the last item in this is my pocket planner, which I just decided to put in now. So this is a clear rings pocket planner. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing a flip through on this. I absolutely adore this size, and it's super affordable. I love this planner so much. I can do like a little, I'll just show you like the front. I took some stuff off to put in my personal wide planner. I just did a flip through on that. I think I mentioned that earlier, but yeah, I love this little planner so much. And it fits super nicely in there. Like, how cute does that look? I also have my pocket wide Foxy Fix planner, and it's in the coconut. It's in coconut in the sugar leather, and I absolutely love this. It's probably my favorite Foxy Fix, to be honest. I just love this leather so much. But yeah, you can see that kind of fits in here too. But I think this looks cuter just because the clear and like hollowness kind of go together. So yeah, I'm going to close that up and show you guys everything fits nicely. So I hope you guys liked my little what's in my caboodle box, and definitely don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more fun planner videos. I'm hoping to do other videos like what's in my makeup desk and stuff like that, just to kind of branch out and show you guys, share other things that I love to do as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think below, and if you have any questions regarding anything in this CABOODLES case or anything like that, just leave me a comment down below. I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.